Have you ever wondered how you can make money while you sleep? Do you dream of having a steady stream of income without having to trade your time for it? Well then, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 easy passive income streams for beginners. These are simple, practical, and don't require much upfront investments or expertise. Meet Sarah, a business entrepreneur who was struggling to make ends meet. She was working 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, but she couldn't seem to get ahead. She was exhausted, stressed, and felt like she was stuck in a rut. But then, Sarah discovered the power of passive income. She started investing in a few easy passive income streams, and soon she was earning money while she was sleeping. Now Sarah has the financial freedom to pursue her dreams, invest in new property, travel around the world, buy luxurious items, and live the life she's always wanted. Sarah's story proves that anyone can do this, so stick around, I'll show you how. First, what is passive income? Passive income is money earned from sources other than a traditional job or a business. It requires little to no effort and is not bound to your time. Initially, you have to put in some extra effort, but afterwards, once you set it up, the money will flow in without you having to work for it. Compared to business or a job, you have to work day in and day out in order to gain an income. So let me tell you the best and the most effective passive income ideas at the moment. Number 1. High interest savings accounts. Well, high interest savings accounts are bank accounts that pay a high interest rate on your deposits than most other accounts. They can offer interest rates that are 10 to 15 times higher than the standard savings accounts. It's a low risk investment that earns you a higher interest rate than the traditional savings accounts. Number 2, affiliate marketing. It's a way to earn commissions by providing other people's products or services online. Its business model revolves around where individuals or companies promote products or services of other companies in exchange for a commission on each sale. The affiliate earns a commission when someone purchases a product or a service through their unique affiliate link. Here's how affiliate marketing works. An affiliate finds a product they like and promotes it to their audience. An audience member clicks on the affiliate link and makes a purchase. The affiliate network records the transaction. The affiliate receives a commission, which is usually the percentage of the sale price or a fixed amount. If you'd like to know more about how to make passive income using affiliate marketing, then please make a comment in the comment section so that I'll make a separate video on a beginner's guide on how to make passive income using affiliate marketing. Passive income stream number 3, print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand is a concept where it allows companies to print products only after receiving an order. A third-party print provider prints, packs, and ships the product to the customer. The seller doesn't need to purchase or manage the inventory. For example, Teespring, Redbubble, or Printify let you design simple graphics for t-shirts, mugs, posters, or phone cases. Every time someone buys your product, you earn money without worrying about inventory or shipping. Like in the previous income stream, if you are interested in learning about either print-on-demand products or any other passive income stream, then please put a comment in the comment section with the name of the passive income stream so that I'll create a separate step-by-step video related to that particular income stream. Passive income stream number 4, selling digital products. It's the process of selling goods that are there in digital format. It could be ebooks, templates, digital arts, online courses, printables, or even how-to guides. For example, Sarah wrote a quick guide on how to budget effectively and sold it on Amazon. As far as I know, it took her only a week to make, and now it earns her roughly around $100 a month through passive income, or some people may call it in autopilot. Passive income stream number 5, online courses. You can share your knowledge and skills by creating an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy to host and sell your courses. Sarah, being an entrepreneur who has gained quite a lot of knowledge reading books, created an online course named Do You Want to Reach Success? It has earned her a significant amount of passive income through that online course. There are many more passive income streams that could make you more money while you sleep, but I will let you know about those streams in my next video. And as I mentioned earlier, if you would like to know more about how to make passive income through any of those streams, then make a comment in the comment section so that I'll make a separate beginner's guide for the passive income streams that you have requested. If you like the video, then please put a thumbs up. And don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. That's it for this video. I'll meet you in my next video where I share 5 more passive income ideas. Until then, take care. Bye for now.